Got this ECV 860 and it's having a running problem. It starts and cut off.
We all quit. Randy's a mechanic all of a sudden.
I had fuel from this fuel pump, but nothing was coming out of this one. I got this high pressure line off. This is the outlet going to your fuel rail, and I'm not getting anything out of it. But I was getting some out of here, so I believe this, they call it a FPM, a fuel pump module. I believe it's bad. This is the new one they sent me, and they talk about it having either the plastic or the metal clips, and then talk about this bracket being different. It came with it, but they said if it doesn't fit flush on your old bracket, you may have to trim one of these ribs. May have to pause it if you want to read any of this. It's where it talks about cutting the rib off to make it sit flush. This is a checklist they sent for warranty. So that fixed it. If you take this line off like I did, this high pressure, and this is not the problem, it's going to spray out here, so make sure you're wearing safety glasses and be careful with that. Be careful with this little yellow plug. It likes to break real easy if you don't get the gray tab up before you try to open it. And then this bracket has got bolts that hold it onto the block, and then you've got 3 that this mounts to. So like that, and then it's easy to miss that one. I think those are 8 millimeters. There's 3 of them. Wasn't too bad of a job. I've had a lot of questions about these EFIs and stuff. They're pretty new, and they're kind of aggravating to figure out when they do have an issue. If this helped you out, give it a like, thumbs up, and subscribe. And if you got any other questions, let me know. I'm just a mechanic. I don't build these things. I just try to fix them. But if it helps you out, let me know. Appreciate it. Good luck on them.